Involved in the shooting death of a young mother suffering a mental health crisis will not get attorneys paid for by taxpayers.
The Fayetteville City Council voted against providing lawyers, and this isn't sitting well with the Fayetteville Police Foundation. Our Fayetteville reporter, Gilbert Bays, spoke with the city's mayor about it.
Well, that vote happened on June 5th during a work session of the Fayetteville City Council. The vote was 5-4 against providing legal assistance to those two officers. Here's the background to the story. Fayetteville police were called to the home of Jada Johnson's grandparents on July 1st of last year. They told police she was suffering from a mental health crisis. Security camera video provided by the family shows officers rushing into the home after she was shot 17 times by a police officer. At one point, before Johnson was shot, she pulled a gun and put it to her head, threatening to kill herself. But when she put it down for a moment, officers subdued her. Then shots rang out. The SBI and internal Fayetteville police investigators cleared the officers of any wrongdoing. State Attorney General Josh Stein said he would not pursue any charges against the officers because, in his words, the evidence shows that the officers faced a deadly threat and acted reasonably in response. However, the family of Jada Johnson has filed a civil rights violation lawsuits against the officers. The city's decision means those officers will have to pay for their own attorneys to defend themselves. Fayetteville Mayor Mitch Coben explains why he voted against providing legal aid to the officers.
We support our police department. This particular case, the young lady was shot around 17 times, and so in the past we've had the benefit of being able to see the body cam footage to give us a little more context before making a tough decision about that. In this case, we weren't.
The Fayetteville Police Foundation was disappointed by the vote, saying the decision made by the council to withhold funding and assistance for the legal counsel for the officers not only jeopardizes the city's potential legal and financial liabilities, but also fails to demonstrate responsible representation for the citizens who elected them. But this is not a done deal. The mayor says if Superior Court Judge Jim Ammons allows the city council to see that body cam footage, they may put the matter up for another vote. In Fayetteville, Gilbert Bays, WRAL News.